I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to create an account on Wealthfront, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Wealthfront website. Go to the Wealthfront homepage by typing in the URL in your browser. This is where you'll begin the account creation process. Step 2. Click on Get Started. Once on the homepage, you'll look for the Get Started button. Clicking this will take you to the account registration form. Step 3. Fill out your information. Enter your personal details such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. Be careful with your email. If you enter it incorrectly, you might miss important verification emails. Step 4. Verify your email. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Complete your profile. After verifying your email, look back into Wealthfront and complete your profile by providing additional information like your financial goals and risk tolerance. And that's it. You're all set up with your Wealthfront account. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Happy investing.